Hello, I'm Phil Svitek, 360 Creative Coach. In this episode, I want to share with you what has been super life-saving for me, at least from the perspective of video and audio files. If you've ever found yourself with corrupted video or audio, this is a service that can benefit you, right? So, for example, for me, how I discovered them was we were doing some audio recording and the batteries died in the audio recorder. And because of that, it didn't, save the file fully in the way that it should, right? That the recorder would normally do once you actually stop the recording properly. But nonetheless, the SD card still had these 200 megs of data, right? And if you just type in corrupted audio repair on Google, there's various free options and things like that, or other stuff, and they just weren't working. And then I tried some free ones or some paid ones, and those didn't yield results either. And I don't know exactly how, but I stumbled onto a Treasured Video Repair Service. Now, their website is actually aeroquartet.com, and I'll link to that in the description box so you can get to it. And when you kind of look at their website, you'll sort of be a little bit baffled. There's not much necessarily. It looks like a slightly outdated website in that sense. But, from experience, this service works, right? For better or worse, I've had to deal with corrupted audio a number of times at this point in my life. And every time that's not a simple fix, I go to them, and there's not been an instance in the 10 or so times that I've really needed it where they haven't been able to fix it for me. And that's amazing, right? So that's it. That's all this episode is all about, is to give you this amazing resource. Now, they also do video, right? I personally have not actually done a video repair with them, and I hope I never will have to. But based on what they're able to bring to the table just by the audio stuff, I believe that they can handle also video. Now, for clarity, this is not a sponsored post or anything like that. I don't make any money off of this. I'm purely recommending this simply because it is something that has been a wonderful tool in my toolbox when, sadly, I need it. And so, I've seen other people have to deal with it and stuff like that. And so, I've pointed my various peers to this service. And now I just wanted to make the world aware of it, because it truly is wonderful, right? And life-saving when you find yourself, sadly, with that file of oh, you can't open. What the hell is going on here, right? So, use it if you need it, and share it to those who may as well. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I hope to see you next time.